Welcome back. You're watching the business news on Prime Edition. Now, the government has secured 269 billion shillings for the first phase of the Nairobi Metropolitan Integrated Transport System. Prime Cabinet Secretary, that is Musalia Mudavadi, engaged with representatives of the G7 and Kenya's development partners to review the progress of priority pilot programs aimed at easing congestion along the Nairobi Metropolitan Area's transport corridors. The integrated transport system includes the Nairobi Railway Central Station project, supported by 2 BRT lines, commuter lines, and the standard gauge railway link from Syokimau to Nairobi Central Station, and will transport an estimated 30,000 persons per hour by 2030. Construction is set to commence by the end of 2025, with the project set for completion by 2027.
We now have a clearer perspective on how we can shift towards an investment partnership that will enable our joint catalytic projects anchored in infrastructure, sustainability and opportunity to stimulate a new era of economic growth and prosperity for the Kenyan people.
As a first step towards a goal of achieving efficient evacuation of the estimated 30,000 persons per hour in the year 2030, with a joint resource mobilization target of 30th September 2025.
Mudavadi reaffirmed the government's commitment to decongest the city, saying once complete, users will experience safer and more efficient transport solutions. The first phase has a resource mobilization target of the end of September, with a funding gap of 283 billion shillings.
The total cost of the pilot Phase 1 projects is estimated at US $3.9 billion. We have secured financing of 1.7 billion, that is about 44%, with the government's counterpart financing of 389 million US dollars, and this leaves a financing gap of 2.2 billion for the success of this phase of the prioritized projects.
For us on the UK side, we now that the expression of interest has gone out, we are waiting for replies, which we expect to receive by the end of August, and we hope that will then allow Kenya Railways to go ahead with RFPs on the technical side, but also will allow National Treasury to issue an RFP on the finance side, so that banks can start to begin offers and to start that negotiation process.
He said the strategic transport initiatives are designed to improve mobility, enhance accessibility, and promote a more sustainable and inclusive urban environment.